Do you know meditation is generally one of the most searched keywords these days, right? Everybody out there is keen to learn meditation. I started meditating about 17 years ago and really life changed so much. And I've been traveling and teaching meditation and breath-based workshops for the last 12 years and such profound transformation I've seen. Yeah. So today I'm going to give you 3 golden rules about meditation and 5 myths about meditation. 3 golden rules to meditate, right? First, achah. Second, akinchan. Third, aprayatna. तो पहला नियम क्या है? अचाह. कुछ देर के लिए मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. I don't want anything for the next few minutes. Second, akinchan. I'm nobody. I'm not rich, poor, meditator, non-meditator, smart, dumb. कोई भी ये labels मैं अपने चेहरे पे नहीं रख रहा हूँ. कुछ देर के लिए मैं कोई भी नहीं हूँ. Akinchan. Third, aprayatna. There is no effort. See, the rule of the body is effort, but the rule of the mind is effortlessness. Right? तो कुछ देर के लिए मुझे कुछ एफर्ट नहीं डालना है, प्रयत्न नहीं करना है किसी भी तरह का. तो जब भी हम ध्यान के लिए बैठते हैं ये 3 चीजों को मन में रखेंगे: अचाह, अकिंचन, अप्रयत्न. And then there are so many myths about meditation. The most common myth number 1 is meditation means no thoughts. मुझे कोई भी विचार नहीं आना चाहिए. That's not true. Thoughts will come and go and that's okay. See, the harder I try to resist a thought, what's going to happen? The more that thought will come. What you resist will persist. So I should not think. This is a thought, isn't it? So it's okay. Thoughts will come and go on their own. Don't worry about thoughts. Don't encourage a thought. Don't suppress a thought. But you can have meditation with thoughts or without thoughts. Both are okay. Second myth about meditation is meditation, spirituality, ये तो बूढ़े लोगों के लिए है. 60 साल हो जाएंगे क्रॉस तब सोचेंगे इसके बारे में, right? You're not too young to meditate. Of course, you're not too old to meditate, right? Are you above 8 years of age? Then you're definitely not too young. The youngest we start is 8 years, right? I started meditating in college and really after I learned meditation I thought ये बचपन में क्यों नहीं सीखा यार. So you have your life in front of you. Now is the time you learn to meditate and then you get all those benefits. And ऐसा नहीं है कि 60 साल के बाद मैं रोज 10 घंटा ध्यान करूंगा. It's not about how long you meditate in one shot. It's like a systematic investment plan, right? It's about little bit of investment I do every day and then that gives me huge returns. तो थोड़ा थोड़ा मैं ध्यान करता हूँ रोज and that is where the magic happens, right? So please don't fall prey to this myth. You're not too young or too old to meditate. Myth number 3, meditation मतलब concentration. कुछ तो मुझे some third eye पे some imaginary dot somewhere, some light. You're reading the wrong books or watching the wrong videos. So meditation is not really concentration. In fact, it is deconcentration. Concentration is a byproduct of meditation. So meditation is the delicate art of doing nothing. And that's why it is difficult. Because all these years our training has been do something, कुछ करो, कुछ करो. तो जब हम ध्यान करने बैठते हैं, वहाँ पे भी हम कुछ करना चाहते हैं. We want to concentrate or do something. I tell you, do nothing. Meditation happens by itself. You can only prepare yourself. You can set the environment right, but beyond that, don't try hard to concentrate or remember effort, no effort. Myth number 4 is that meditation is not for me. I'm not the meditation kinds. मेरे को नहीं जमता ये सब, right? Every body can dance and every mind can meditate. So if you have a mind, you definitely can meditate. All you need is some training. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि मेरे को नहीं जमेगा. But you need to learn it right. आप सही जगह जाके एक अच्छे इंस्ट्रक्टर के पास if you learn it, then you will be able to meditate. When I started meditating, 5 मिनट भी आँख बंद करके बैठना बहुत मुश्किल था. But now after so many years, it's not a big deal. 30-40 minutes I can sit आराम से. So I also used to feel कुछ और करा लो यार, एक्सरसाइज कर लेते हैं, स्पोर्ट्स खेल लेते हैं, बट ध्यान, meditation, so don't judge yourself. Give yourself a shot. And myth number 5, मेडिटेशन के लिए मुझे सब छोड़ना पड़ेगा, हिमालय जाना पड़ेगा, आई हैव टू लीव my current lifestyle and आप बाबा बन जाएंगे and all of that. That's such an outdated thought process, right? In fact, meditation is nowadays a part of some of the leading institutions, corporates, educational institutes. It's a part of the induction program, leadership training. So everybody out there, given their life, जहाँ पे भी वो है, you can make meditation a part of your life. कुछ भी छोड़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. हिमालय भी जाओगे तो मन को तो साथ में ही लेके जाओगे. तो मन को अगर शांत करना नहीं आता है तो जगह बदल के क्या होने वाला है, right? So don't fall prey to such myths about meditation, and definitely meditate. If you haven't learned so far, start right away, and just a few minutes every day, but every day, and you'll really thank yourself for taking this decision. Yeah. So as they say, sometimes to truly open your eyes, you first need to close them. So I really hope you like this video. Please leave your comments and subscribe to this channel and watch this space for more videos coming your way.